You burned your foot on a Foreman grill?
I enjoy having breakfast in bed. I like waking up to the smell of bacon, sue me. And since I don't have a butler, I have to do it myself. So, most nights, before I go to bed, I will lay 6 strips of bacon out on my George Foreman grill. Then I go to sleep. When I wake up, I plug in the grill. I go back to sleep again. Then I wake up to the smell of crackling bacon. It's delicious, it's good for me, it's a perfect way to start the day. Today, I got up, stepped onto the grill, and it clamped down on my foot. That's it. I don't see what's so hard to believe about that. Look at that. Nothing like grilling in the great outdoors.
Is this the same grill you grilled your foot on?
No. Yes.
Oh, gross!
But I got all the foot off of it.